My name is Sierra. Makeup is one size fits all.
Makeup is one size fits all.
Makeup is one size fits all.
Hey bitches, we're gonna shit up, okay? This quarantine is not the tea. I found some walk and talk. Do it again. Why is it so close to me?
Wait, there's a car.
How was that? Did it look
Now tell them that we can't be too loud.
Alright guys, I'm gonna destroy this makeup. I'm trying to be a badass, but you know it's hard. Hi. Where should we do it? Let's do it over here. How do I look? Do I look nice? Wait. It has to be bad. Let me see.
Oh my god, don't do it so close.
Wait, no.
There's a car, there's a car.
What do you mean?
There's a car.
Badass don't care. I'm a bad kid. Look, I have a tag on my clothes.
He's gonna return
She didn't steal it.
He's gonna steal it.
It's not working.
What? Oh my god, let me show you how to badass do it.
You're gonna burn yourself. Wait. Hairspray all over the tip. Hold on. We have to wipe it.
Wait, don't get it on your hand.
I'm not. Yeah.
Wait, don't wait.
I used to do this when I was.
This is a fail.
The wind is not
You
good.
guys suck. You guys suck at life.
Yeah. What? You know what I think about this makeup? It's trash. Hi, pal, it's me, Mickey. Hi, pal, it's me, Mickey. Oh boy, we have a scandal. Oh boy, drama. And if any of the drama channels use that, tag me. Oh my god, I'm losing weight. My overalls are loose. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different. It is for entertainment purposes only because my makeup is already done. This is not a makeup tutorial today. I know. I sound like a sheep. Anyways, this video is revealing and exposing MAC Cosmetics. What? So, long story short, if you guys didn't know, my name is PatrickStarrr. I collaborated with MAC Cosmetics, big makeup company, best years of my life, did 5 collections, and then I received a little DM from a friend. Let me find it. Liam McAvoy, Looks by Liam, one of my favorite YouTubers ever. Love him so much, so funny. He messaged me and said, hey Patrick, I hope you're safe and well. I saw your YouTube community post and I have a video idea for you. Bitch. She said, on DHK, I found a bunch of fake PatrickStarrr MAC items that don't even exist. Because if I remember correctly, you didn't come out with a foundation or a full range of lipsticks with MAC. So maybe you can test and review the fake PatrickStarrr foundation. I'll send you the link to them if you'd like. Just let me know. From what I've seen, this is inspired by my very first MAC collection, self-titled PatrickStarrr with the white and silver packaging. If I had a foundation with MAC, bitch. Shall we open the package? By the way, Mac, I am expecting a cease and desist to whoever created this and cut my motherfucking check, bitch. Wait a damn minute. It's in a very suspicious, well-packaged foam. Oh my gosh. It comes with 2 little Claire's-looking brushes. Let me not Claire's, but it comes with 2 little kindergarten-looking art brushes. And this is the packaging. Oh my god, it's actually rotting from the side. I don't know if this packaging is there. Oh my gosh, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 lipsticks, and they literally have the hologram and my logo lockup. That is so insane. I can recall from my memory, the collection had my, oh my gosh, should I do a giveaway? Should I do a giveaway? With my real MAC makeup? I think I should give away 3 PatrickStarrr powders from the original collection from my vault, okay? I think I should. And you guys should subscribe, retweet, follow, because a bitch is struggling, okay? Let's get the views. Do I have that many? I'm not at liberty to say. But if I can recall from my original MAC collection, I had 3 lipsticks, 3 lip liners, 3 glosses, 2 eyeshadow quad palettes, and 1 very famous, very popular Patrick powder that MAC no longer sells or distributes. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. This packaging is not... There's more! There's more! There's more than just 6 lipsticks? Oh my god, it looks like there's 12. Did a bitch really? Oh my god, shout out to Liam for giving me this video idea. Oh my god, he said that there was PatrickStarrr foundation. I was really excited. Ah! Peter, what do you think? How do you feel they're making money off of us? That's so sad. Brave. Oh, they really coming for MAC. Please me. Kinda sexy. Nope, they fucking didn't. By the way, if you've worked at MAC, tell me I don't look like a 3rd key right now. Did you take your 15? Yeah, I'm working. I'm on the clock, yes. Hi, welcome to MAC. Do you need help? Do you need help? Hi, do you need help? I just asked you if you need help. Yeah. We'll get you the product, okay? Yeah, we'll get it. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I do have like a personal vault of my own memoirs and products because this collaboration meant so freaking much to me, having worked at MAC, having asked to take off my makeup at MAC because there was boys. Was such a full circle moment, and I literally am obsessed with what I've created, and that was such an era of PatrickStarrr that I will never ever forget. But this bitch is just deja vu and deja poo because this is so shitty. This is actually so crazy. It's entertaining. It's actually disappointing that other people will copy and capitalize off of it on some website. You just never know. My face and my name is all over the website. It's just disappointing, but it's crazy. I've seen it happen to a few people. We just saw it happen with Lunar Beauty. We saw it happen with James Charles. We've seen it with Kylie, with Jeffree, with, I think, Tati. There are so many brands that are being copied and sold for dirt cheap or with less, and it's just so scary because you don't know what the f is in these products. With that being said, this is the original and then this is the fake. It's actually not bad. It's legible, it's white. It's really, really cute. There's just stickers on the bottom and there is no stickers on this bottom. So not bad, not bad, not bad. Quick story, this signature, I remember running on my couch like 1,000,000 times in my place because I knew it was gonna be plastered all over the world. Little did I know it was gonna be counterfeit makeup. But yeah, what's crazy is that I came out with 3 lipsticks in this first collection, but bitch, these hoes don't came out with 12 motherfucking lipsticks. What the No, they really copied. It's a little bit more yellow, right?
Yeah.
The silver?
Like, yeah.
It looks more like...
This one's not. Look how yellow that was compared to that one.
Oh my god. I will be giving away all 12 of these lipsticks. No. Guys, do you see how... Can you tell how yellow it is? It's a holographic too. The same. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just unboxed them. The counterfeit ones are more yellow. This one is like pure silver, so gorgeous, but what's so gaggy is that obviously MAC mass produces. They're owned by Estee Lauder all over the world. It's just so hateful. And also what's so crazy is that the actual white part of the lipstick, this one's matte with a silver, and then this one is shiny with the silver, and then this is hella like piss yellow, and there's so many scratches. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but there's so many scratches on the actual bullet. Yeah, it looks like it's just trash. Look at all these scratches. That is so crazy. Oh my god, and the fake one is thicker than the other one. Worked at MAC for a very long time. The stickers look virtually the same, but look how much thicker it is in diameter compared to the original MAC PatrickStarrr lipstick. Fraud. Ah! This looks like some uncut penis. Oh my god. Oh my god, sweetie. Why'd I do that? What kind of motherfucking shape is this? Are you serious? No, ma'am. This looks like some shriveled white penis. No, ma'am. I'm not that little girl. Oh my god, this is so shit. Look at how disgusting. I don't think I want to risk putting these on my lips. I wanted to, but these colors look the same, boo. Now, if I did the original, look at how beautiful that these hoes are. They look sickening. What the fuck is that? That looks like some foil or something. No. Ah! Oh, that bitch don't fell out! Oh shit. Oh hell nah. Hell no! Oh no, boo. No, I mean I love Nobu, but like Nobu. Oh my god, it won't even go down. Oh my god, it won't go down. So as I was eating pizza, I took a little break. I went on Instagram Live and asked if I should swatch it on my lips or on my arm. Who the voted to swatch these on my lips?
The haters.
So I'm not gonna poison myself. Who knows what's on these lipsticks? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my arm, and just by feeling and pure memory from my MAC experience, see how they swatch. Ow! Just kidding. This shit patchy. Guys, here are the swatches. They are there. They feel chalky. They feel dry. They didn't go on very well. And this is very scary. There was maybe 2 that had some decent swatches, but it's super patchy. This is so shameful. Let me stop. Let me get a fucking wipe, because should we destroy these f***ers?
It's trash.
And that is my fake matte collaboration, you guys. That was such a weird experience. I know that it's out there. I just didn't look for it, but now that it's past, it's just kind of fun during this quarantine for me to get these lipsticks. I will deep clean my hand. Like I said, the MAC collection was such an epic time in my life, and I'll never forget it. It's just shameful, hateful, disappointing that other people would capitalize on other people's success and name and likeness and use it to their advantage at the expense of others without even thinking of all the hard work that us influencers or brand owners or even fellow brands in the beauty community that work really, really, really hard. I think I'm gonna fuck this shit up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more fun videos like this. Follow me. I am cute. I'm cool. I'm one of the cool kids. Don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. I love you so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye. Just don't buy the shit. Just don't buy it. I look so good. I look so motherfucking good.
Ah!
What?
Your toes.
These toes are gonna be in your face.